guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're actually gonna be doing another vlog. So I'm really excited about this one because Matt's gonna be in it a lot more. Matt, peep your head out. There he is. Matt's gonna be in this one a lot more than the last one, so that should be really fun. We're gonna go to the beach and it's gonna be like almost 80 degrees today. It's really sunny and beautiful. Let me just show you guys. It's so pretty today. Like literally the prettiest day, and it's Sunday, so it's just a really chill and relaxed day.
Coffee.
Thank you, Matthew. We got our coffee. I love coffee so much. If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with coffee. Oh god.
Especially since they finally got the white mocha in the refrigerated
yes,
section.
let's field trip to the kitchen. Okay, so let me show you guys the coffee that we drink since Matthew mentioned it. The lighting in here is the best, right? It's so great. So this is the coffee that I am currently obsessed with. So if you guys are familiar with the white chocolate mocha latte from Starbucks, so this is the same thing. But recently me and Matt were at Target and we saw this new one that had this gold lid and it says limited edition on it and stuff. And I was like, wait a minute, I think that says white chocolate mocha. And I literally freaked out. But this is basically the same thing, if not a little better. It just tastes really good. You can add ice to it. You can even microwave it and make a hot latte if that's what you're about. But I like the iced ones because it's real hot here in Florida. So yeah, if you're looking to get Starbucks, but maybe a little bit more on a budget, because usually when I go to Starbucks, I spend about $5 on myself, and this alone is $5. So you're really saving money in the long run. So yeah. Especially
since it lasts more than one drink.
Yeah, exactly. So just a little information if you like Starbucks as much as myself. But yeah, that is basically what we are doing right now. We're just getting ready for the beach. I got my bathing suit on. Cute. I guess I can show you guys. This is my little bathing suit. I just want to show you guys what it looks like. I'm still working on toning some stuff. Me and Matt have been working out still. But yeah, I got this actually, who can guess? I got this from Walmart. It's so cute. I love the colors. Like, I don't know, I just feel like these colors are just, they speak to me. It's my favorite. But yeah, here's my little outfit of the day for the beach. And then Matt is just in his swimming trunks and his tank top, like always. But Matt's making us some toast right now. We don't have a toaster yet. Like, who are we? So
it was just one of the things that we didn't think about.
Right, yeah, we literally don't have a toaster. So yeah, we're basically gonna eat some toast, drink some coffee. It just got really bright, oh my goodness. And then we're gonna head to the beach. I'll vlog a little bit like on the way because there's some really pretty like bridges and you can see like all of the water and all of that fun stuff. So yeah, me and Matt love going to the beach so much. We try to go on Saturday or Sunday usually if it's not raining and if it's like pretty and we know it's not going to be really crowded. And even today we're going to go a little earlier in hopes that it won't be as crowded as it was the last time that we went. So yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys the beach. It's so nice. So yeah, I will check back in whenever we're on our way to the beach. We're here, it's so pretty. Let me show you guys. It's literally the prettiest day. Like, do you die? I know, it's so pretty. Like, this is what I'm talking about. Like, look at the sand. It is so pretty. It's like the whitest sand ever. Let me take my shoes off. Literally so pretty. Say hi, Maddie. We found literally the perfect spot. Like,
there's no one for like at least a football field on either side of us.
Like we just walked as far as we possibly could take it to get like a secluded spot. And guys, the water is literally crystal clear. Let me show you. The water is clear. Like, let me get up off my butt.
Oh gosh, here it comes.
Water is literally, it's gonna be cold. It is. I don't know if I'm gonna get in today. Oh no, it's too cold. But look how beautiful. Like you can see, I'm gonna take one for the team. You can see straight through the water.
Oh, that is really cool.
It's so pretty. So we've been trying to come here like once every weekend because it's really close to our apartment. And like, why would you not want to be here? It feels like rejuvenating. Like my skin is really warm and it feels really, like once you're in it for a minute, it doesn't feel that bad.
I thought about jumping in later, but I don't know.
So I'm just gonna set the camera up and let you guys just see all of this beautifulness. Like it is, I know I keep saying it, it's annoying, but it's so pretty. I love the beach, especially when it's just like a beautiful day. I think it's like 80 degrees or something.
Close to it.
It feels so good. Okay, we're gonna lay out for a little bit and soak in some sun rays. Oh goodness, sorry. So we are laying out now. We've been laying here for a while now. It's really hot, like really, really hot. I can't decide what sunglasses I want because they're not covering my eyes completely. And I don't even have my eyes open right now because the sun's right in them. So if we're not in frame, I'm sorry. Matt's holding it because he's taller. Well, kind of.
Longer arms.
Yeah, but we're gonna go get in the water in a second. I'm really excited / nervous. I hope it's not cold, but it's so pretty and I'm so excited. But yeah, we've just been chilling, laying out. It's been so peaceful just listening to the waves, right? This is like Matt's favorite thing to do.
Yeah, it is, especially whenever we're in a spot like today where there's no one around.
Right, there's literally no one. It's the best ever. So yeah, we just thought we would check in. We've literally just been lying here, like not even talking, just chilling, straight chilling. It's been amazing. So we're probably gonna go get in the water. Vlogging in the ocean.
See, right over here's another sandbar. It's really cool. Some boats.
To the pier in a little bit. I think I've been to the pier like probably a long time ago, but we've never been together.
I've never been.
Yeah. If I'm yelling, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I feel like I have to yell outside. But yeah, so we're gonna go to the pier in a little bit. I'm really excited.
And sorry if it's windy too. We don't have one of the curry things on our mic.
Yeah.
We should invest in one.
We should get one of those, yeah, so that you guys can actually hear the ocean waves. It's probably so windy, so maybe that's why I'm yelling. Maybe I'll be happy later that I yelled. So we just came over to the pier because, like we said, we've never like actually walked on the pier before. So yeah, this is the first time we vlogged in public too, so this is kind of exciting. I'm gonna show you guys what we see though, so that you can see everything. It's so pretty out here. There's like places to sit, and then that's the pier.
So, turns out you gotta pay to walk on the pier.
And we left our wallet in the car, so, and we parked far, and I'm not doing that again. So
we'll do it another day.
We'll do it another day for sure. We literally live here, but that's a bummer. Who knew you had to pay to walk on the pier in like Santa Monica, like everybody on the pier.
I guess they're making a ton of profit though, so.
True. Okay, so now we're gonna find something else to do or go home. So we'll check back in soon. Sorry guys. Okie dokie. So we are gonna go home. We were gonna go to the pier like we said, but we had to pay, so yeah. This was definitely more of a chill beach day than a let's go explore everything, because those type of days are more during the week when there's not a lot of people here. But yeah, we're just gonna head home now because we are both tired and hot, and the longer you stay here, the worse traffic is whenever you try to go to leave. So we're trying to beat traffic because we sat in traffic for, how long did we sit in traffic this morning?
At least, it was close to an hour.
Yeah, a long time. We never hit traffic in like the town we live in, but by the beach, it's a complete different story, and it is crazy. There are people, oh my God, there's literally people everywhere. Hey guys, so we just got home from the beach. We didn't hit as much traffic as we thought, but we did. There was 2 people that had really bad wrecks, like literally like bad. Like one person had to like grab their baby out of the car, and their baby was like crying, and their airbag was like everywhere. Like people are driving so crazy today.
Very crazy.
At least I wasn't driving. Matthew was driving. I'm not a good driver, so. Sorry if you hear someone yelling. We live, like our apartment is like right, the pool is like right here, so you can hear like all the little kitties playing.
I don't think those are kids.
Oh. Okay,
There's
well.
been someone out there singing for the past half an hour.
So you can hear all the adults outside. Anyways, yeah, we're literally about to shower and get dinner from out. We were gonna cook, but I was like, I'm really tired, so yeah, we're gonna end the vlog here. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Do you have anything to say, Maddie?
Just a lot of fun.
Yeah? Did you enjoy vlogging?
Yeah, it's very fun for the second time now.
Yeah, he was able to be in it more today because he has the weekends off, which is really fun. We usually try to go and do something like go to the beach or something like that whenever we're both off and can chill together. So yeah, we're definitely gonna do more vlogs. If you guys want to see them, we will do more. They'll only get better from here. We'll vlog again, hopefully next weekend. I don't know what we're gonna get into, but hopefully we can find something fun to do. But yeah, that is it, guys. Thanks for watching this week's vlog. I really hope that you enjoyed me and Matt's little beach adventure. I know it was more of like a chill day. We really didn't get into too much, but those are the best days, honestly, in my opinion.
Right.
So
really relaxing, especially after working all week.
Yes. He deserved it. You deserved it. But we will see you guys in the next video. Bye!